Hello and welcome back to Drawable Boba. Today we're going to be drawing a Dark Chao from Sonic. We're going to start with the head shape. Right around the top of the page we're going to just do a little dot to start the top of the head. And we're going to go down to around this point and draw the bottom dot. And we're just going to do a curve to connect the two dots. Like so. Once you have that curve done, we're going to do another curve, but instead of going all the way to the top, we're going to start right around here. And this should give us some room for the head detail. Let's go up a little higher, right around here. And for the head detail, we're going to go all the way to this point from this top point. Go down to here. And this is going to be start of our head detail, so we're going to just do this little shape right here. We're going to go up, down, up. And on the opposite end, we're going to go up, down. Once you're around here, we're going to just draw a line to complete the shape. And we're going to focus on the little Pom Pom thing on the top. It's just going to be some spiky shapes. To simplify it, we're just going to do maybe like 8 spikes, or we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It doesn't matter the number, as long as it connects into a ball shape. Just do little spikes until you get the ball shape. Once that's done, let's just draw in the face, which is a pretty cute smile. So we're going to go put a dot on either side. To start the smile, we're going to connect the dots with a shape like this. Then we're going to draw another one right below it for the smile. I'll give you some time for that. Once you have that shape, we're just going to do these zigzag patterns for the teeth. Once you have the teeth done, let's just draw in the 2 eyes. So we're going to just draw in these lines downward because he's a little angry, but still really cute. And we're going to draw in this U shape to connect the 2 eyes. And then draw in an oval for the white of the eyes. Once your eyes are done, we can draw in the rest of the body. We're going to go on either side and draw these lines down, like so. And let's draw in the foot. It's just going to be this big H shape on either side. And then we're going to draw in the bottom of the body to complete the circle. Once you have the body done, we're going to draw in the moon shape detail right on the body with these 2 U's. That's looking really cute. And let's draw in the little hands. The hands are like a little nub, so we're going to just draw a little shape like this and connect to the body for one hand. I'm going to draw the other one going down, so from the center right here, we're going to go down to that point and connect it back up to the foot. And finally, we just need a little tail with a little spike, so we're going to just add that 2 lines right here. And we're going to just draw these 2 lines out in this triangle shape for the spike. And let's say we have wings, room for little wings he has. So we're going to go out a little bit, and let's just draw 1 wing right here. We don't have room for the other side because this arm is blocking it. But once you're done with that step, your Dark Chao drawing is done. Let's add some color real quick. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.